Good morning, welcome to Goodwill. In this video presentation, we will see how we can trade in MCX copper market today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened on last Friday and what we expected on the chart you're seeing is 7-minute candlestick chart, and this candlestick indicates last Friday's price opening, which shows that the market opened near 429. We expected copper to stay in buying, maintaining 421 as stop loss, and we thought if the price is coming near 428 426 we can go for buy. Right after the opening, the price came near 429 and you could see the price had some buying, tried to take a constant support near 432, but finally it failed, but price claimed and closed near 432. So like what we expected, we had some buying support around the zone. Today the price is expected to open somewhere here near 436. Again we are quite confident that we had bought at the bottom. If traders have not purchased anything at the bottom, then you can go and buy on dips, expecting but still the stop loss remains. We are not going to change the stop because even if the price is coming down till 421, you need to go for buying. So if you feel that the stop loss range is very high, since you have missed the opportunity to buy on Friday, please go for options trading. You can buy a call option or you can sell a put option. All these expectation is price moving up. The target is 442, so 441.6 will be the maximum target for this buying. So wait for the price to come near this and book profit and exit from the market. So let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.